సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయ సమ్మిళితం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పురాణేతిహాసాలు ప్రవచించిన సూత్రం పురోగతి ప్రబోధించు నృత్య దర్శనం సమాహార కళాత్మకం ఈ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం ప్రతి కథనము ప్రతి కదలిక సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం ప్రతి పదము ప్రతి పాదము శాస్త్ర సంకలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పరమాత్మము తీసిన కళా విన్యాసం క్షీరసాగరోద్భవము సుధాసారం సమాహార కళాత్మకం ఈ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంస్కృతి సంప్రదాయ సమ్మిళితం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం పురాణేతిహాసాలు ప్రవచించిన సూత్రం పురోగతి ప్రబోధించు నృత్య దర్శనం సమాహార కళాత్మకం ఈ సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం సంచలన సంచలనం
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskaram. I'm Swapnashree Chakoti, Senior Disciple of Sanchalana School of Dance. Welcomes you to Nrityotsav, a virtual festival of Indian classical dance forms. Wishing you all a happy and prosperous 2024. My Guru and founder of Sanchalana School of Dance, Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja, is a renowned artist who made a significant contribution to the world of Indian classical dance with her exceptional artistry, dedication, and commitment to preserve and promote Indian classical dance forms on various platforms. After marriage and giving birth to 2 children, she started learning with the encouragement of her husband, late Sri Kalyan Kumar Garu. She started to mentor young teachers to become accomplished artists. Then she started teaching unprivileged students, which led to the start of her own academy, Anasuya Arts Academy, now renamed as Sanchalana School of Dance. As a guru, Teacher Garu played a vital role in training and nurturing students and passing on the rich tradition of Kuchipudi to the next generation. As she always started organizing dance festivals since 1993, where she imparts her knowledge and expertise to aspiring dancers. Many of her disciples have gone on to become accomplished dancers in their own right, while still contributing to the legacy of Kuchipudi. A few of them are Dr. Kiranmai Bonala, the daughter of Srimati Padma Kalyan Vajja, Artistic Director of Sammona Arts Academy, Hyderabad, Telangana. Dr. Jyoti Shekhar, Director of Gayatri School of Dance, Hyderabad, Telangana. Swapnashree Chakoti, myself, Director of Sri Chakra Kala Nilayam, USA. Aruna Swarup, Director of Sri Dhanvi Kala Nilayam, Andhra Pradesh. And Dr. Hema Vanasarla, Director of SVS Kala Niketan, USA. Today we are presenting the Kuchipudi dance form, a southern Indian art form, and Odissi classical dance form from the eastern part of India. Kuchipudi is an Indian classical dance form that originated in the village of Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh, India. Kuchipudi is a dance drama performance with its roots in the ancient Hindu Sanskrit text of Natya Shastra. It is known for its impressive, quick footwork, dramatic characterization, expressive eye movements, and spirited narrative. A distinctive feature of this dance is the execution on a brass plate and moving the plate on the notes of Carnatic music. The performance usually begins with an invocation, then each costumed actor is introduced, their role stated, and then the perform of a short preliminary dance set to a music called Darubu. Next, the performance presents pure dance, the Nritta. This is followed by an expressive part of the performance, Nritya, where rhythmatic hand gestures help convey the story. Let's welcome V. Uma Maheshwari Garu, a Kuchipudi dancer with 10 years of professional experience, trained under the guidance of Guru Srimati Padma Kalyan Garu and Guru Dr. Kiranmai Bonala Garu at Sanchalana School of Dance, and have been a part of academy as senior student and also as an assistant teacher currently. Her major performances at Kala Yuvotsavam Nritya Sammelana in Ravindra Bharati 2017, Nritya Anjali at Tyagaraja Gansabha 2018, Yuvotsav, a monthly festival by Sanchalana School of Dance in 2018, Koti Deepotsavam organized by Bhakti Channel, Bhakti TV, Sangeet Nrityotsavam by Telangana Sangeet Natak Academy, Vishwakala Yagnam in 2018, and Sri Krishna Devaraya in Penukonda in 2018, Naveen Kalakar All Indian Dance Hunt Bhuvaneshwar, Golconda Nrityotsavam by Sanchalana School of Dance. She completed her certification from Putti Sri Ramalu Telugu University and diploma course in Kuchipudi from Prachin Kala Kendra. She received Bharat Nritya Vismaya Award from National Cultural Mission Bhuvaneshwar. She received a Natya Ravali Award from YSR Murthy Charitable Trust and a selected B grade artist from Doordarshan. Let's welcome V. Uma Maheshwari Garu. Welcome.
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Andariki Namaskaram. Today I am going to start this with Ganesh prayers. My first item I am performing is a sloka. composed by Dr. C. Narayana Reddy Garu, dance choreographed by Padma Vibhushan Vempati Chinnasathya Garu.
Thank you, Uma Maheshwari Garu. It was wonderful presentation. After watching this wonderful southern classical art form, let's move to the eastern part of India. Our second performance of the evening is Odissi, also known as Orisi, a major ancient Indian classical dance that originated in the temple of Odisha, an eastern coastal state of India. It is believed to have been performed predominantly by women and expresses religious stories and spiritual ideas, particularly of Vaishnavism, through songs written and composed according to the ragas and talas of Odissi music by ancient poets of the state. Odissi performance have also expressed ideas of tradition such as those related to Hindu gods, Shiva, Surya, and as well as goddesses. Let us welcome D. Shiva Garu. He won with Let us welcome D. Shiva Garu with over 5 years of experience in teaching and worked in various dance schools and has been awarded for his talent. He emphasizes the method class structure. He has been working extensively in the technical development of choreography and dance festivals in the past. He completed his diploma in Bharatnatyam from Prachin Kala Kendra, Chandigarh, and pursuing BA in dance. He received certificate from Sri Satya Sai Seva Samiti, Odissi in 2010 and 2019 by Natyaravali Music and Dance Academy. He got a merit certificate from Department of Public Library, Andhra Pradesh, National Library Week celebration in 2018. Awarded first position in the classical dance by Maitri Cultural Meet 2018. Won district level in Ugadi Puraskar by All India Music and Dance Competition in 2022. He is not only a Odissi dancer, he also performs Bharatnatyam and folk arts. So let's welcome D. Shiva Garu.
Om Shri Guru Bhyo Namaha. Namaskar. My name is D. Shiva. I am going to Odissi Nutya performance. Kette Chanda Janila Sahi. Odissi Nutya dance name. Ragam. Sankarmanam Ragam. Talam. Ekta. Starting my performance.
తెల్ల గుంట్లన్నీ
Nanda Raja সেদিন কংস হইল রোষ সেদিন কংস হইল রোষ করে পদ্ম পাই দেলা আদেশ করে পদ্ম পাই দেলা আদেশ পদ্ম তোলার হইল প্রকাশ 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 পদ্ম হইল প্রকাশ পদ্ম তোলার হইল ଅଶେଷ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଶେଷ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଣ୍ଡ ଅଶେଷ ବ୍ରହ୍ମାଣ୍ଡ অশেষ ব্রহ্মাণ্ড অশেষ ব্রহ্মাণ্ড দেখাইলাটি সে দেখাইলাটি সে অশেষ ব্রহ্মাণ্ড দেখাইলাটি কিরে ছন্দ জানিল সে নন্দ রাজার টিকি পিলাটি সে টিকি পিলাটি সে টিকি পিলাটি কিরে ছন্দ কেড়ে ছন্দ জানিল সে নন্দ রাজার টিকি পিলাটি কেড়ে ছন্দ জানিল সে নন্দ রাজার টিকি পিলাটি কেড়ে ছন্দ জানিল
It was wonderful to watch D. Shiva Garu performing Odissi. We are very thankful to have such a beautiful artist performing in our Nityotsav platform. Once again, thank you both the performers and wishing you all a very successful career. Now, I would like to have a word of my Guru. Srimati Padma Kalyan ma'am believes in not only giving opportunity but also encouraging artists by uniquely rewarding them and presenting their art form to a wider audience. I hope these small steps will pave the way and pursue others to reward artists in a better way. On this note, I would like to thank you all for encouraging classical dancers, and please stay tuned for the next episode of Nityotsav, Virtual Festival of Indian Classical Dance Forms. Stay connected to Sanchalana School of Dance. We will be bringing many more performers presenting in different art form. If you would like to perform in upcoming episodes, please feel free to contact us through email at nityotsav@gmail.com. See you all next month, third Sunday. Until then, I wish you all good health and happy dancing. From the cultural team of Sanchalana School of Dance and Swapnashri Chakoti, Namaskaram.